Welcome to the pricing page. My name is Daniel and I wanted to make this video to help you navigate and answer some of the questions you might have. So it starts with professional photos. There's a 35 photo package and there's the 50 photo package. 30 goes for 200 and the 50 photos go for 250. We actually also have a secret package for $150 for 15 photos. So what's included with all of these? They all get the number of photos that's stated. They all get sky replacement, which means if you want to change the weather, if it's like an overcast day or if it's just a bland sky, we offer different sky options that we can replace it for you for all of the exterior images, all the backyard, all the front yard images. And even if the house has big windows and you can see outside, we send you two versions of each photo. We send you the MLS format and the print format. So if you want to put them on a flyer, you have the right format for that. If you want to put them on MLS, you also have the right format for that. We do extensive editing on all of our photos to make them look bright and presentable. You also get a free Instagram story with every package that we offer. And for this one, it's about a 45-minute shoot. It could be quicker, but we usually like to add some buffer just in case we need more time. And my favorite part is the 10 a.m. delivery next day. And that goes for the 50 photo package as well. So only difference here is this is 35, this is 50. Now, twilight photos. Twilight photos are when the photographer goes to the property around sunset and gets those beautiful night shots. So again, for this one, it's 10 photos because it's only exterior. You probably don't even need 10 photos, but obviously we like to overshoot. Sky replacement. For this one, we usually tend to put a pink sky or a dark blue sky. Again, the large format and the MLS format. Photoshop, this one is 30 minutes on site. Now, drone photos, if you want us to go to the property and only shoot drone photos, it's $150. However, if you bought any of these packages and you want drone photos as well, it's only $40 more. So it's $40 add-on. If you bought 35 photo package, if you bought a 15 photo package for $150 and you bought drone photos, the total is $190. Okay, now next up is Matterport. Matterport is when you get a 3D tour of the property. So here's an example actually, and I'll share my screen. This is when you are able to pretty much walk through the house as if you're there, so the buyers don't have to drive it. This is really good if your buyers are like, let's say they're far away, let's say they're in Nevada or something, but they want to buy a house in Los Angeles, they want to have the freedom, so you could spin around. Here's my mouse, you could see I could click different access points and move as if I'm already there. This is Matterport, and the good thing about Matterport is Zillow has a specific section on the listing to show the Matterport, and you actually get more views on your listing if you do have a Matterport. All right, this brings me to real estate video. So in a video, there's automatically drone included in the $300 package, and also drone photos are included, so you don't need to get that $40 add-on. Now, since we're Zillow authorized, we can actually upload this to Zillow for you so you don't have to. I like to think of videos as kind of like a commercial of the house. So the Matterport is giving them the full access to walk through the house as if they were there. Video, we add emotion, we add music, and it's more of a presentation. We can pick and choose what we want them to see. We could get close-ups. We could have the agent talking in the beginning of the video. So that's why I think videos are one of the essentials out of the main three services that I've stated so far. It's just photo, video, and Matterport. Which leads me to our bundles. As you can see, we have the all three, which is all three, $600 for photo, video, and Matterport. And then we have the Consider It Sold. So Consider It Sold offers everything I've mentioned and more. So let's go through what the Consider It Sold offers. Photography. So this is a regular photo package, a drone photo package, and a twilight photo package. It includes sky replacement. We put fire in the fireplace. We change the TV, so if it's a blank TV, we put something in the TV so it looks like they're watching something, and we give you the large and the MLS format images. Then we offer video, so it's pretty much this exact thing. So everything I stated before, we upload it to Zillow for you. We give you MLS links. Drone is included. It's interior and exterior to walk through the house. Then we have the Matterport, and with Matterport, we also upload it to Realtor.com for you. And then another thing I didn't touch on is property website. So when we get you a property website, we get the domain name for you, which we purchased from GoDaddy. And I'll actually share my screen. What this website does, it's kind of like the showcase of your listing of everything that you just purchased, but putting it all in one place. So You get your own domain name, you get the photos at the top, you get a little contact tab with your name, your info, and then a way for them to contact you. We also get you a flyer. You get the video displayed right here. Then also the 3D tour, a description of the property, etc. So this is really cool to showcase what you've done for the listing, but also it makes the sellers feel really special, and it's just another way to win more listings in the future as well. So then we have some more packages. We have virtual staging, and that's when we add furniture to a room that has no furniture into it. We can also clear out a room that has too many things in it. Let's say if your seller has some young children and there's toys everywhere, we can Photoshop it out and we can put in more staging. We can do floor plans, 2D floor plans, 3D floor plans, and then we can also make you a YouTube slideshow of the images. This is great if you ordered the 200 photo package and you don't want to spend another 300 on video. So what you can do is just spend another 28, and what we do is we put those photos into a video. We put music and the photos are moving along to the music, and then we put branding at the end of it, and we can also upload it to YouTube for you. And that pretty much sums up the pricing page. Thank you so much for watching. And of course, if you ever have any questions, don't hesitate to call us 818-350-3809. Thank you so much.